Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how to place an image inside of a template using Adobe Photoshop. First, you want to go to File, Open, to open the template file. You go to wherever you saved your template file on your desktop or computer. Click on the file and click Open. Now you want to click on the layer that you want the image to go into. And I'm going to start with the upper image box here, layer 1. So I'm going to click on that layer in the layers palette. And I'm going to go to open an image, go File, Open. Again, go to where you have your images saved. Click on the image you want, click Open. Now you're in the image. I'm going to select this whole image, so you go to Select All. You want to copy it to bring it over to the template, so go Edit, Copy. Now click back on the template file, go Edit, Paste. It'll paste that image into its own layer right above the image box layer in the layers palette. Now to size this image, you want to go to Edit, Free Transform. I'll give you little handlebars here. You can pull the image down to whatever size you want. Again, you can size the image once masked inside of the image box, but I'm just going to make it smaller here to see. And you click Enter or Return. Now you want to go up to Layer, Create Clipping Mask to mask the image inside of that image box. Now again, you can easily move that image inside by just clicking on it and dragging it around. And if you want to size it again, go Edit, Free Transform. It'll bring back your handlebars so you can size the image, move it around as you need inside the image box. Hit Enter or Return. Now you have your image inside your image box. We can do one more here. I'll click on Layer 2, the next box right here. Then I will go to File, Open, select my other image, click Open, go Select All, Edit, Copy, go back to the template, Edit, Paste. Again, now you want to size your image, go down to Edit, Free Transform, back your little handlebars. You'll size the image as needed, and you just drag it, click and drag, put it in front of that, then hit Enter or Return. You want to go up to Layer, Create Clipping Mask, again to mask that image. Now you can free transform it again as needed to make the image larger or smaller. Get larger. You can move it around in the box as needed. Hit Enter or Return. Now you can continue these steps to fill the rest of the boxes as need be, and then you have your template will be complete. Well, I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any other questions, you can always feel free to message me, and I'm happy to help. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.